Welcome. In today's video, I'll be teaching you the difference between the moisture can and the crucible. So before we start, I'll be showing you the image between the two of them. So this is the moisture can. It's made up of metal materials, maybe aluminium or stainless. While this is a crucible, it's usually made up of ceramic material or pozzolanic material. So this is commonly found in the geotechnical lab or soil lab and is used in soil test. But basically two different types of soil test. Now for the moisture can, they're usually used for moisture content test. So when we have moisture content to determine the moisture in a material, be it soil or any aggregate. Why for the crucible, which is this, we can use it for we want to determine something like the organic matter of the soil or of a material. Why? Because the moisture content is usually made of a metallic material, and it is usually heated up in the oven. So it's usually heated up in degrees like 100 degrees Celsius or 110 or 120 or so, depending on the specification. But for this crucible, it is used for high temperature testing. When you want to carry out organic matter, you need to burn your material, you need to put it in an oven. So this can melt in an oven, while this will not melt. It has a very high melting point. So it is recommended, this one is recommended for moisture content test, while this is recommended for when you are carrying out maybe an organic matter test or a calcination of clay or any other material or any other test that you need high temperature to determine. So that is the core difference between the crucible and the moisture can. So whenever you come to the soil lab and you see these two materials, note that are used for different purposes. This is one is used to determine the moisture content of any material. Some can actually have a cover, like a lid, to prevent moisture from coming in and moisture from leaving the soil particles or the materials inside. So most of them usually can have a lid. Why this one is always kept like this? It does not have a lid over it. So that is the core difference between them. I mentioned that this one is made up of aluminium or stainless, while this is made up of ceramic materials. I've also mentioned the usage, the temperature difference as well. This one is usually used between 100 or 105 to 110, 120 degrees Celsius, while this is used for a very high temperature. So that is the core difference between the moisture cans and the crucibles. Thank you.